Let's go!
Hi, I'm Breen. I'm the Director of Curriculum at Kodable. This short video is going to introduce you to the concept you'll be teaching in this unit. Thanks for watching! As programmers, we're in control of every action a computer carries out. Once commands are given to a computer in the correct sequence, we can add another element to our code that will alter the computer program's path: conditions. Conditions are basic if-then logic statements that modify how code is executed. Conditions are a key part of the decision-making process for computers. Conditional statements are part of our everyday lives. As people, we can think about situations and make decisions based on what we observe or know to be true. For example, if it's raining out, then we will have recess inside. Or if it's my birthday, then I can have birthday cake. Conditions are cause and effect. If this, then that. Since computers are machines that can't do anything without us directing them, we direct the computer using conditional statements. This tells the computer what to do and when to do it. In the Conditions on-screen independent practice lessons, students will use colored tiles as conditions to alter the path of their fuzz. For example, if the tile is pink, then go down. In programming, a great example of a condition is a password. Passwords are if-then logic statements. If a user enters the correct password, then they can access the program. Conditions allow us to control what a program does and perform different actions based on these if-then logic statements. What makes computer programs great is their ability to interact with a user. This is only possible with conditions that direct this type of interaction.